All right, so I'm still at it, sanding this fireplace mantle with 40 grit sandpaper to take down as much as I can, as quickly as I can, because we're going to distress it. But I wanted to show you, look, I really like using wood filler in this situation to show me that I'm not down far enough yet. See, there's still wood filler between here and there. So that means this board is still high. All the way down, there's some there, there's some there, there's some there, and then it starts to end right over here. And there's a little bit more right there, and then it ends here again. So what it's telling me is I need to take this board down. This face board needs to be sanded down a little bit so that putty disappears, because otherwise when I stain it, it may be stainable, but you're still going to see it. It's going to look different than the wood because it's not as porous, doesn't have the grain, everything. It's not wood. So I really like this idea of using the stain as my gauge for how much wood I have to take off. Let me get back to it.